debris cloud.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Ah, now it's down.
Oh, beautiful. It's going to go just south of us. Excellent. This is what we've been trying to get. Can you get a picture of me? Here, give me holding the tornado. Yeah. Whoa.
Right, get ready to deploy.
Beautiful.
Nice.
I'm glad we decided to come after this one.
Man. He's busy. Get wet.
We're going to get wet.
Thank you very much. That's great.
We're going to get really wet. Power flash.
Better get rid of the spam.
I'm pulling right here. Actually, no, we get a little bit.
Hold on, we're getting
right here.
info, Jet.
I'm gonna stop right here.
Get out, but stay right next to it. No tripods, nothing. Tell John that. No tripods, nothing. You get out.
Keep mobile. Tornado on the ground, tornado on the ground. If anybody can hear us, there's a large tornado on the ground.
Do a Scott thing. Zoom in right into where it's crossing the road.
Oh, that risk of dropping up there.
Tornado.
Hail.
Okay. Listen to it. You hear it.